my day off, and it's all windy. Great. What is up, everybody? I am using the Helgermite right now on a little Ned rig, and I'm at this creek that I have not filmed at yet, ever. And there's a lot of parts of this creek that I want to film and stuff like that. It's gonna take a couple videos to even, you know, get most of it. It's a good long creek, but I'm in a good tourist area as well. So if you hear people or a lot of vehicles, that's probably what that is. We're gonna keep trying though. Oh, I think something's nibbling at it. Oh, I think something's had it. Yep, something's got it. Oh, it's a little trout. Oh, wow. I forgot to mention that they actually do stock rainbow trout in this creek. Oh, wow, he popped off. He's squirrely. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, man, they're so slippery. Whoa, he's back in. He's back in. Look at him. That's crazy. Little trout. Oh, what is that? What is this? I got something. I think it's a little smallmouth. It is. It is a little smallmouth. I mean, he's a good sized smallmouth. There he is. Yeah, he's a good sized smallmouth. Try to get him over here though. Dang, he's fighting today. This is why I'm using like a light setup, because fighting with these smallmouths, I mean, they're crazy. They're crazy to fight with. But he's a good size. Whoa! You want to come over here? Alright. We'll come over here. No, you can't go back. Not yet. Not till I unhook you. Look at him. I can get him out. Ah. Oh, there we go. But there you go. That's a good little smallmouth. Put him back in there. Let him breathe a little bit. There you go, bud. Did he turn towards me? There he is. There he is. There he goes. Sipping under that log. Oh, and I think something bit it too. Oh, I had something. Oh, I still have something. I think it's another trout. It is another trout. I don't know if it caught any of that, but we got this trout. Good old sized trout. It don't look like a rainbow trout though. Oh, it is. It is stock rainbow. But we caught this trout. It's actually my biggest trout. You got it. There he goes. He's kind of just chilling right now. I kind of feel bad. I had him out a little longer than I needed to. But I think he's got it. Yeah, I think he's got it. He's doing good. There he goes. He'll be just fine. He's swimming fine. I know that's not a big trout. Or a huge trout. For me, it's the biggest trout I've ever caught. This is a big pool. Gotta be a big fish in it somewhere. Oh my goodness. I'm hung on this line, but... Oh, there we go. Oh, I got one. I got one. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is a big one. It's a big one. Yes. Yes. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, he's doing somersaults. Oh, come on. Come here. Oh, it's barely hooked. I think it's barely hooked. I just saw it go from one side of his mouth to the other. Come on. Just don't jump out. Just don't jump out. Oh, I'm about to go hands on. No, 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 no. Come over here. Oh, Vortex line does not help, but it makes it fun, I guess. If I lose this fish. Oh, come here. I don't want him to pop it, but I don't want him to spit it out. Oh, come here. Yes. Oh, yes. Look at him. Oh, man. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh man, look at him. Oh man, look at that fish. Good one, right in the side of the mouth. All right, we're gonna let him go. Oh, good fish. Go on, bud. You got it. Take a little picture with him, and there he goes. There he goes. Man, that was a good one. Excited about that one. Man, there he goes right there on the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see him or not. But he's just cruising. Getting his breath back, hanging out, and we're gonna keep going. Let's go ahead and get up to this bridge. Y'all may be able to see it. Get up to this bridge and see if we can catch anything. Yeah, I've never been this far where I'm at the bridge. I've only been as far as where we caught that pound bass. So this is actually brand new to me. And if I were to guess, there's a good fish in here. Whoa, it gets deep. Looks like it gets super deep in here too. try over here. Birds everywhere. Oh, think we got something. Oh, we got something. Oh, we got something. Oh. Ooh, it's a good size too, I think. I think it's a good size. Oh, it is a good size. I'm thinking it's a bass. Oh. Oh, it's good. It came off. No. No, it came off. No. I'm casting back out there. No way. It come off. No. And I'm actually thinking about casting right there. Oh, something has it. Something's got it. I think it's a little bass. Or a bluegill? No, it's a rock bass. First rock bass. First little rock bass. Whoa. Not too bad. Let's cast out here though. Oh, got something. There we go. I think that's a little smallmouth. Oh no, wait. Yeah, it is a little smallmouth. Come here. Oh, come here. I got you. Little smallmouth. For a second. Get them unhooked. There we go. He's a good little smallmouth. I think our smallest one of the day. Oh. Oh my goodness. Something hit it over the log. Oh, something hit it over the log. Oh my goodness, it was a little bluegill. Oh, I hope you could have saw that. It hit it, I threw it a little too far and it went over this log. And it hit it on the top of the water. Oh wow, that was funny. I think that's gonna be it today. Almost completely out of battery. It's at 15%. But I think we had a pretty good day. Caught my PB stock trout. I only started fishing for trout this past year, and my first one I accidentally caught. I wasn't filming that day though, unfortunately, so you couldn't get my reaction on that. It was the smallest little trout too. But we caught some bass. Caught a pretty decent sized bass and a big trout, to me, a big trout. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Definitely gonna come back out here again. And then the other spots I was talking about. And if you liked the video, press the like button. And if you didn't like the video, dislike it. Let me know what you think I should use. Anything I should try. I mean, I'm always using my crawl. I know it's kind of a kind of a bad habit, but I mean, I'm just kind of going with what has always worked for me. But I have been using the Hellgrammite a little bit. I used it all video on this video, and it had helped me with some good fish. So I don't always use this crawl. It's just kind of my go-to. I'll probably put this before the ending of the video, but I'm on my way walking back, and I just decided to just throw a random cast with the oh man. Another little trout. Whoa. Ah, it's in my hand. It's in my hand bad. Ow. Popped out though. That's good. But we got another stock rainbow trout. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stop kicking. Whoa. We'll put him back in. A little quicker than we did the other one. You got it. You got it. I got him in the corner of the mouth pretty good too, so. There we go. There he goes. There he goes. Well, I was walking back to the truck, and there's this little fella. Western rat snake. He's just trying to get some shade. But I need him to leave because I'm trying to leave. So, think you can get out of here? Think you can leave for me? I didn't do anything to you. Now you cut it out. Alright, look, here's the deal. I'm gonna get this stick, and if I come over there and you have not left, ooh, you wait until I get a stick. Wait until I get a stick.
Really trying to touch a snake right now. I don't want to. Planning on going to get some to eat before I went home. But don't look like he wants that to happen.
Leave? Did you leave? Did you go on? Go on about your day? Where did you go? Where'd you go? I knew you didn't climb up in the truck. Where'd you go? You didn't climb up in this truck, did you? Well, I hope not. He jumps in the truck. Jumps in the truck as I'm trying to leave. I really don't know where he went.